Leveraging and Contributing to the Pharmaverse for Clinical Trial Reporting in R. That's the title of the workshop I have the pleasure to teach at this year's Posit conf, alongside Christina Fillmore from GSK and Pawel Rucki over at Roche. And here's the top 3 reasons why you should sign up for this workshop. Reason number 1, open source is really where all the innovation as it relates to clinical trial reporting is happening. While for the past decades the industry has exclusively relied on commercial software to report their clinical trials, over the past 5 years or so, this has really dramatically changed, and companies, a lot of big pharma companies, small biotechs, are all now moving towards using open source tools, and in particular R, for their clinical trial reporting. And the Pharmaverse is really where all of this innovation gets integrated, and you will find a lot of very thoughtfully designed, well-written R packages for different aspects of clinical trial reporting. So if you want to be at the cutting edge of the open source development as it relates to clinical trial reporting, this is a workshop you must attend. Number 2, Shiny. While again, in the past we have almost exclusively relied on static deliverables such as tables, listings, and graphs for our final clinical study reports, this has been changing in recent years as well, and people increasingly leverage dashboard solutions, interactive data exploration apps for their clinical trial reporting, not only internally for more exploratory purposes, but recently also for the regulatory side of things. In fact, there has been a pilot submission to the US FDA of a Shiny app instead of the more traditional PDF-based static listings, tables, and figures. We are teaching you how to use a particular Shiny framework called Teal, where you can learn how to create such an app by yourself, and I think you will really enjoy this experience. And then finally, number 3, which is you will not only learn how you can leverage these tools, but how you can actually actively contribute to them, such that you can make the tools even better than they already are. If you see something and you think like, hey, we could change this up to make it even better doing XYZ, we will teach you exactly the steps you need to follow, from things like creating issues on GitHub, how you can create a feature branch, so on and so forth. But also very importantly, how you can contribute if you don't actually want to write our code. There's a lot of working groups within the Pharmaverse with different packages tackling things like how should we handle lab data as it relates to our ADAM datasets. And you can come in there, contribute your expertise, and that way ensure that what is already, in my opinion, a very robust set of packages becomes even better, more usable for your day-to-day clinical trial reporting work. And with that being said, I'm really looking forward to seeing you in Chicago. Have a great rest of your day. Cheers.